So basically what I have done is I have opened the LM Arena, a new website, and I have basically given it my two resume, and I have written the strong prompt like search the internet for currently open remote job roles for fresher and target roles according to my resume hiring right now, and it is giving the response like the cloud opus. Again I'm giving here I have given these are the models available right now for me, like here is the like Gemini 3 Flash model, GPT 5.2 chat latest model, Glam model. So I will use here Claude AI model. So I'm looking for those. Where are the Claude C-L-A-U-D Claude Opus. I'm going to use Claude Sonnet. Here are Claude Sonnet, Claude Sonnet, Claude Sonnet. Okay, let us use Claude Sonnet 4.5. That will be direct. So I will filter like this, open remote job roles for freshers for target roles, and I will modify here with direct apply now link of specific website, not career page. Okay, and target roles means all eligible roles according to my resume, and let us attach file. So I am attaching like my one of my resume I have saved, and one more. So I have attached two resume, and so it will find the jobs related to my resume available worldwide with the highest salary first. So in the form I will go to the job. Basically I'm doing this to tell you like how to find a job. It is searching, and that done. So remote job opportunity for AI ML and data engineering roles based on your profile as an AI ML engineer, data engineer, AI automation specialist. Here are current open positions globally. So see here, like machine learning engineer, entry level, scale AI. It is salary ranges approximately 120K dollar. You know, means approx 1 crore per annum. And the key requirements for the given role is Python, TensorFlow, PyTorch, Reg, LLM, and it has given me approximately 20 job roles. Means like machine learning, AI/ML engineer, and third one is junior data engineer, AI solution engineer, ML operation engineer, and direct apply link. Okay, ML infrastructure engineer, NLP engineer, and these are all of entry level positions. So additional opportunities like here, and it has also recommended the best matches for my profile, and top 5 recommended roles like Gen AI engineer, Anthropic, perfect match for Raglan chain, and ML engineer, Hugging Face, AI automation engineer, Zapier. Application tips based on your resume. Highlight these strengths like production rack system 20% latency reduction, end-to-end ML deployment, Streamlit fast API Docker. Also keyword to emphasize I cannot provide direct application link to the specific job posting because I don't have a real-time internet access to search live job reports. Job posting can daily and expire quickly. Direct link require accessing company ATS system or platform like LinkedIn, Indeed, or Glassdoor. How to find these jobs? LinkedIn job search, remote job roles, companies, job boards, Y Combinator, startup roles, AI jobs, AI specific position. Okay, so in this way it has given me. So I'm just going to do a more strong prompt for this. Like I am going to attach my resume. More strong prompt I have given to the LM Marine. I'm going to ask for these roles. So now what I'm doing is I'm going to give the chatbot my resume, and I will get to know the perfect resume making for the above 5 roles or the above these roles. For the first to 10 for first to 10 roles given above, create resume to land interview on that company. So I'm going to give my resume like AI. It will edit my resume, it will make my resume like the company needs. Files, what are the automation? So it will now keeping links real. So what it will do, it will do the work for me. Like it will, for the above 10 rows, like from here to here, it will find the latest job for me. It will refine my resume according to the jobs. So let us go to the career portals. Like for the machine learning entry level engineer, I'm going here on the apply now link. Till then, view open positions, typing here machine learning engineer. So I will find for the junior level here, or the senior levels are available. It is like 11 result, but I am saving machine learning engineer global public service. It is in Doha, Qatar. Okay, machine and global public sector general enchant. So let us click on this San Francisco and let us check the requirement about the qualification. You will design about the role a senior staff. As a senior staff, here the senior staff requirements. So I'm finding for the okay. So it is showing also the career page, not the specific website. So I will go for the AI remote engineer or Hugging Face. Okay. It is not allowing me to log in onto that. So till now I'm going here what it has provided me, like, okay, junior data engineer databricks. So tailored resume packages for top 10 remote AI JD analysis resume machine learning engineer. It is Scale AI. It has designed a latex code for me, and I will go to overleaf dot project. Okay, so here I go. I will click on new project, blank project, name it Scale AI skill dot AI resume, and I'm creating. So I have taken the latex code from here. I'm going to paste it over here. Okay, so compile. And after compiling, I got a foolproof resume. It is okay, 2 pages, but okay, no problem. So I will go to cloud. I will go to cloud manually. Okay, no problem. So skill AI resume I have found. Let us go to the machine learning position again. Machine learning engineer. So for the engineering roles, 11 roles are available, of which this is the senior staff, and this is, let's see, this is for senior staff also. So this is for the cutter position. Okay, here are the senior position available. Let us find for some junior level position. Apply now. Okay, so Doha, Qatar, London, UK. Okay, let us go for the greenhouse. I think my greenhouse apply here. Okay, right. Let us do it manually. So resume I have, like a scale AI resume I have taken from here, and cover letter also. So I think I have cover letter, and LinkedIn profile. So here is my LinkedIn profile. Here it is, LinkedIn profile. Website, I don't have a website. What country you are in? I'm in India. Are you proficient, fluent? No, no. It is. Are you open to legal Middle East? Yes. Are you currently bound by any agreement? No. Yes, please provide none. Are you legally authorized to it? No. Yes. Yes. And submit. Yes. So thanks for applying. Your application is received. So this is the best way we can apply to any job. So if you like the video, please like it, and you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel.